I've now got 2 ice trains running through the tunnel, small HOE going through the tunnel as well, which is just a small goods train, weaving its way through the mountain system which they've built there. It's not realistic, but it's going to be fun. It comes out through this side here, small goods yard there, a bit of a mixture of all sorts in here. Electric class with the transport train on. Follow that around, that keeps going. We've got another station here, branch station, HOE station, small goods yard, platform. Diesel refueling station will go there. Goods yard with a gantry crane. Got quite a long goods yard up there. And they've got the travel loading system docking yard thing, which unloads the wagons automatically, and eventually we'll load them up automatically in the building there, but it's a problem trying to get it going. And HOE gravel trucks docking, and if I go underneath, another controller and a small point controller, and another goods storage yard, which is 3 lanes wide with 2 3-way points at each end, and the station, which is quite a long platform system, and it's a Fleischmann station. You see the trains coming to a halt, 2 ice trains coming here. Each time they come in, they're at opposite ends to what they were the last time, because of the way it runs. So that's the end of the line. And rail cars. Now these are the fully working hopper wagons. There'll be 4 of them, which dock in on that unloading system. Now the ice train is fully illuminated. The carriage is full lighting kit. Right, and that's about it. There's another view. Continuous loop. I like to see the trains running all the time. I have had a branch line end-to-end layout, but that was in the past. I thought I'd try something different.